Welcome to the Sarah Finkelstein Show, where we provide valuable information and tidbits that can help you, your friends, and your associates. So today's topic is geared around Medicare. Did you know that there are 10,000 people, somewhere between 10,000 and 11,000 people turning 65 each and every day? And why is that significant? Because at age 65 is when you qualify to go on Medicare, the federal health insurance program for people that are 65 and older. But don't be mistaken, there are people younger than 65 that are on Medicare because of certain disabilities. So when you're on Medicare, have you given it any thought? What happens when you're traveling overseas? Well, it depends on what kind of Medicare you opted for, because there are two different options available to people when they go on Medicare. One of which is original Medicare with a Medicare supplement plan. That plan allows you to go to any Medicare provider anywhere in the nation. So in essence, there's no network. As an alternative to original Medicare, there is what's called Medicare Advantage plans, also known as Medicare Part C. There are four parts to Medicare: A, B, C, and D, and Part C is the Medicare Advantage plan. Could be a PPO, could be an HMO plan, but it is a managed care plan. It is a network-based plan, and also it is a calendar year plan. So what happens if you have or you're on a Medicare Advantage plan and you're traveling out of the country and you have an accident or an injury? The Advantage plan will cover emergency room and urgent care worldwide. But what if you opted for original Medicare because you wanted to be in the driver's seat and be in control of who you see for your healthcare needs? And so you signed up for a supplement plan and a prescription drug plan with original Medicare that covers your out-of-pocket coinsurance. So there are different types of Medicare supplement plans, and they are designated by letters. So for people that are turning 65 this year, the most comprehensive Medicare supplement plan is Medicare Supplement Plan G, as in George. And the only thing that you have to pay out of pocket on Supplement Plan G is the Medicare Part B, as in boy, annual deductible, which is $233. After that, the supplement plan will cover all of your hospital deductible and coinsurance, all of your skilled nursing facility, your doctor visits. It'll cover everything for you. So once you pay your monthly premium with the supplement plan, you will not have to pay anything when you go to the hospital or your doctor, as long as it is medically necessary. So if you have Supplement Plan G and you're traveling out of the country and you have an accident or an injury, what happens then? Great question. Well, the supplement plan does have some international coverage. And here's how it works. So wherever you may be, you will pay for your health care there and bring back your receipts with you. Then you will submit your receipts to your particular insurance carrier. And there is a $250 deductible, and there is a lifetime maximum. So you will get reimbursed up to 80% to a lifetime maximum. Remember, lifetime maximum of $50,000. Now, when it comes to healthcare, $50,000 might not be a whole lot. So if you're traveling overseas, I always recommend that you purchase international travel protection. You could probably get a $1 million policy to cover you when you're out of the country. And those coverages also cover other things like flight delays, suitcases lost or stolen. So it has a lot of other benefits. But just be aware that within your Medicare Supplement Plan G, there is some international coverage. And you should, when you're traveling, make sure to shop around for an appropriate plan to cover your travel needs. So those are the differences between international coverage when you're on original Medicare and a supplement, as opposed to the Medicare Advantage plan, which is a replacement to original Medicare. In other words, it is an alternative to original Medicare. For those of you who are going to be turning 65 soon and becoming eligible for Medicare, or maybe you're older than 65 and you've been on your group health insurance and you're going to be retiring, maybe you're 68, and so you're going to be turning on your Medicare benefits. You probably may have questions, and oftentimes what I hear is that people are confused, because it is confusing until you really grasp it and understand it, because under Medicare there's different plans. There are Medicare Advantage plans, a whole bunch of them. There's different parts to Medicare, A, B, C, and D. Sometimes people confuse the parts with the plans. So it's important to get clear before you make your decision. So if you are one of those people, or you know someone who is going to be needing help with making their Medicare decision, we are going to be doing a free educational workshop all about Medicare on Saturday, April 2nd in Boca Raton at 10 a.m. And if you're interested in signing up for that, you can call me or text me, and I'll be happy to put you on the list. And hey, you can even bring a friend with you. As they say, two heads are better than one. In my book, which I wrote a few years ago, called Wisdom for Women, discover the challenges you must overcome to live the life and retirement you deserve. I know it's a mouthful, but there's a whole chapter devoted to Medicare in the book. There's also a chapter devoted to long-term care, which unfortunately Medicare does not pay for long-term care. So for many people, for many Americans, unless you have done some planning to take care of those extended health care costs in retirement, you may be spending your retirement nest egg to pay for them. So feel free to call me if you have any questions whatsoever. I'm always happy to help. My number is 561-302-5760. So remember, your international coverage when it comes to Medicare, if you're on a Medicare supplement plan, is different than when you are on a Medicare Advantage plan. You can find the Sarah Finkelstein Show on iHeartRadio, Spotify, SoundCloud, as well as the website, www.signatureadvisorygroup.com. Join us next time.